Hi students, how are you all? I am Advocate Arjun Grover and today I would like to apprise you about two law exams. One is of NLU Delhi, which is named as All India Law Entrance Test 2020 AILET. Every year it is conducted by National Law University, Delhi. So there was a notification dated 28th of March 2020 in respect to the postponement of the NLU Delhi exam. For further updates, you can visit on this website nludelhi.ac.in. So this notification by the registrar of NLU Delhi says that in view of COVID-19 outbreak and nationwide lockdown, the last date of submitting the AILET application form were extended till 30th April 2020. And further notified that AILET 2020 entrance test will now be held on May 31st, 2020, 10 am to 11:30 am. It would be 90 minutes test. Further notification, if any, would be uploaded on the said website, which is nludelhi.ac.in. You may visit that for further information. So this was all about the NLU Delhi exam. It has been postponed and now it would be conducted on May 31st, 2020 from 10 am to 11:30 am. Now let's talk about CLAT. For any information on CLAT, you can visit on this website consortiumofnlus.ac.in. So CLAT 2020 has also been postponed. Due to COVID-19, CLAT 2020 has been postponed and now it will be held on June 21st. And the duration would be 3 pm to 5 pm, 2 hours test. In view of change in exam date, the last date for submission of application forms has been extended to May 18th. So there is a good news for the students that now also the students, those who want to apply for this exam, they can apply till May 18th. And it would be conducted on June 21st. And as you all know that now there is some change in the syllabi. And the main change is now the questions are 150 instead of 200. So you will get ample of time. Basically, now what they have done is that now they'll check the reasoning, the analytical ability of the student in the CLAT exam rather than cramming up and learning. That's why in GK part also, you people will get to see more current affairs, probably 95% current affairs in the exam. And all the best to all of you. Thank you.